In this video I'm gonna show you how we can enter and exit the download mode on Redmi A7 Pro. So if you want to go to the download mode, first we can simply restart our phone. So I'm gonna use the power button and volume up button at the same time in order to open the power menu. Let's try that again. There we go. And I'm gonna slide down over here to reboot the phone. And once we see a circle, once it disappears, this one over here, you want to press and hold volume up button. So let's wait for that. There we go. Now I'm gonna press and hold volume up, and we need to keep holding volume up all the time until we go to the recovery mode. So even if you see the Xiaomi logo, you still want to keep holding volume up, and there we go. Now we have the recovery mode. Now in here we navigate by using volume buttons. So we can select the option that we intend to use, of course. And in this case, if you want to go to the download mode, you want to select connect with Mi Assistant. And then you want to confirm by pressing the power button. Then you will see this. This means that you can connect your phone to your computer. And if you have the software that allows you to make use of the download mode on your Redmi A7 Pro, then of course, you should be able to do that. Now, if you want to exit the download mode, you just have to press and hold the power button for a couple of seconds until this image disappears. So just keep holding the power button. There we go. Once it disappears, let go the power button. And the phone should turn itself back on. And most likely it's going to go back to the recovery mode. So let's see if that is the case. Yeah, there we go. And then in here, if you want to go back to the normal mode, you want to choose the reboot option. So let's just select it. And then once again confirm by choosing reboot to system. Of course, once again we confirm by pressing the power button. And there we go, now the phone restarts and it should go back to the normal mode. Leave a like and subscribe.